Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing 6th video of robot wallet. This website paying lot of amount to users and you can earn unlimited USDT from this website. I will show you the all process, and I already showed the payment proof how you can buy these robots and how you can get withdraw. You can watch my previous video as well, videos link given description. So now today I will describe about Christmas robot that are invite their friends and the friends invest in robot number 1 or robot number 2, 3, 4, 5. We invest in any one, then you are able to purchase Christmas robot. Christmas robot provide a huge amount in just 3 days. Invite your friends, and if friends invest in robot wallets, then you contact to customer care and they will provide you Christmas robot free of cost. Start capital amount is 10 USDT. You can buy easily, so just click on contract to buy. Okay, so now this price is 0, but you have need to start capital amount 10 USDT which are in your account. Okay, then on daily basis you can get withdraw. After 3 days you will get amount 6 USDT along with your start capital. You can get withdraw 16 USDT in just 3 days. So here you can see that the reminders from now on. Invite friends to recharge for the first time, purchase and activate robot number 1 to number 5 and you will automatically get Christmas reports. The same IP address is invalid. You can buy only first time. To invite your friends and earn more income from this website. I already earning from this website. I will show you the payment proof. Here you can check my history as well. You can see the transaction record. Okay, here you can see withdrawal record. Here you can see the payments. I got withdraw 16 USDT, 30 USDT, 15 USDT. You can see the success status as well. So this website is 100% legit. So invite your friends. If your friend invest first time in 1 to 5 robots in anyone, then they will get Christmas robot with paying huge amount. You can also experience through buy robot. I already buy, that's why I am unable to purchase, but robot paying unlimited USDT and generate huge amount from this website. So invite your friends. Here you can see the teams earning which I get in direct my account. Okay, here's the share option. Invite your friends through any social media account you are, through QR code or refer link, copy and share your social media handles. You can get withdraw and deposit. If you want to know how to recharge, how to deposit, video link given in description, you can check out as well. So I hope you like this video. So if you want to like these videos, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.